just come out of Glossop now, and luckily the sky is a little bit blue over there. Hopefully it pops out a little bit, but the rain stopped for now. I can't see any more clouds, and especially the mist's gone as well, so that's going to be good for some photographs. So I think I remember the leader saying the next place we are stopping is going to be by a river or a lake, so we'll be able to get some good shots for me, but as well for these guys. Apparently they want a few shots of their bikes for their Facebook group, or I think they've got a magazine or something they want it going in to advertise their rides. But yeah, hopefully I'll get some good shots. I'm glad the sun's out, we've got the hard bit out of the way, but we're still seeing some beautiful sights, even though the rain and the mist was kind of ruining it. I mean, my gear's holding up really well, I'm really comfortable. The only downside is my gloves. They just got a little bit drenched, that's all, but my helmet's fine, jacket, boots, everything's holding up well, so that's a good test for my touring gear next year. So yeah, let's see where the rest of the day leads us, eh? Cold, way past cold. Look at state on all that.
I've got a GoPro, but it's only good for about an hour, even less than an hour.
Yeah.
And then it shuts off, so I'm looking at something that looks quite a fancy contraption. Well, no, it's pretty nifty. What is it? Is it?
On all that. Oof. I'm not sure what that is. Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are we all doing? Real quickly, I'm just popping in while I'm editing this. So what I've done is I've split the video into two parts because I gathered so much footage of the trip. It was a brilliant trip, by the way. So I've uploaded the first part to YouTube. I'm editing the second part thinking I've got a ton of footage, and indeed I do. I do have a lot of footage from that day. The only problem is with that footage is it rained that hard, my GoPro microphone adapter packed in on that day, so I have no audio coming from my helmet for the rest of the journey. So you're going to have to enjoy some lovely cinematic shots, which you're probably seeing now, and then the video will probably end. So I really do apologise, it's cut it short. But yeah, that was all. We stopped for a cafe. Then we went for a little ride. We stopped off in the Peak District up at Hope. The weather got a little bit better, but then we started riding in the dark and we came home. It's just a shame about all of the footage that I could have had. I've still got the footage, it's just there's no audio with it. But yeah, I hope you do enjoy it, and thank you for watching.